Frontier Farm Credit is in the crop insurance business to help protect your business. That's why, along with offering the smartest plans to protect your revenue, we deliver the latest technologies to save time and money. Today, one of the easiest ways to do that is with precision data. Just as precision planting and harvest data help manage your farm, they can help manage your crop insurance too. Precision data delivers more accuracy, better protection, and faster payments should you have a claim. It means less hassle too, saving record keeping, printing, copying, and office visits. It's so easy. You do the field work, we do the paperwork. As soon as your planting and/or harvest data are available, you can either upload your field data securely to the cloud to save time, or load the data onto a thumb drive for your crop insurance officer to pull. We can then process your report locally. We don't ever sell or mine your data. The completed report will then be sent in DocuSign for your approval. That's it. All you have to do is take the printed document to FSA. How simple is that? More accuracy saves time, less hassle saves money. Learn how precision data can deliver smart crop insurance for your farm by contacting your Frontier Farm Credit Crop Insurance Officer.